Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Snapchat account. If you're thinking about deleting your Snapchat account, whether it's for privacy, reducing screen time, or just starting fresh, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, tap your profile icon or Bitmoji in the top left corner. After that, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open your settings. Now scroll down until you find delete account and tap on it. Now at this point, Snapchat will redirect you to its official accounts portal in a browser. You will be asked to log in again, even if you're already logged into the app. So this is just an extra security step to make sure it's really you. So enter your username and password, then tap on continue. So basically, once you do that, your account will be deactivated immediately. Now, here's what happens after you delete your account. So, your account is not deleted right away. Instead, Snapchat puts your account into a 30-day deactivation period. So, during these 30 days, your profile becomes invisible, your friends won't be able to message or find you, and your account is basically paused. Now, if you change your mind, you can simply log back in anytime within those 30 days and your account will be fully restored, like nothing happened. But if you don't log back in after a 30-day period, Snapchat will permanently delete your account, including all your friends, saved chats, snaps and memories, and account data. So make sure you're 100% ready before continuing. So before you delete your account, here are a few things you should take care of. Download your memories or save photos, especially if you have important snaps you don't want to lose. Second, double check any connected apps or logins that use Snapchat just in case. And third, make sure you remember your login details just in case you want to recover your account within the 30-day window. And that's basically it. That's how you can delete your Snapchat account step by step. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe and see you in the next one.